find some boar, which is going to be as well here. We're just actually in a transition phase of actually stopping shipping milk and switching more to we show extensively with the dairy side. So we have, I'm just trying to think, 6 breeds. So if you see differences in the look of the animals, that's why. The ones standing back in the corner there with the floppy ears are Nubians. Their characteristic obviously are the floppy ears and have a Roman nose. The one scratching his head here, right at the, assume that we've either cropped their ears or they've been froze off the frost or whatever, but that is 100% natural. It's a breed that was created in the United States. No, what I've always read and was told is they were created for the desert. So they would be, and they would be much vibrant. There would be a lot more to them.
Oh, okay.
That guy there, he's originally from California. He was born in California. And the only reason they need to is because they're running in and out, so they're bringing wet stuff back in with them. And also they're ones that are having babies, so it tends to be a higher moisture. But yeah, I haven't put any straw in. There's all kinds of alpha dishes in there. They're all expensive. Yeah. The diseases between sheep and goats are pretty well the same. There's not much crossover in nesting rocks, and here you go. They're adorable. I wish I could get her out because they would be needed to be brushed and maintenance to them. So right now this is a good little project for them, and things have been going really good. They're up. If they're not up within a half an hour birth, there's usually something wrong. Yeah, they're up very fast. Never came in flavor properly at all, and we can give them medicine to bring them in, but the doe becomes a permanent chicken. So show down to where I'm here. Get you back way. Yeah. Are you okay, Simon? Yeah, I was.
That's ugly. Let's get that red stuff.